Hey everybody, Ethan James here with honestcarpenter.com. In last week's video, I showed you how to add some weather stripping to the outside of an old exterior door like this to cut down on drafts and bugs and pests coming through. I also mentioned in that video that I was going to show you how to address the little light gap that you always get down at the bottom corner of doors, just a very common problem. Fortunately, it's very easily and very cheaply fixed using nothing but these things right here. In this video, that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So this little light gap is often a problem because the existing weather stripping on the jamb and the sweep on the bottom don't really ever come together or meet, and you're left with just this little pinprick of light down in the bottom corner of the door. So clients are always asking me, oh, will you come like move the door around or adjust the door to try to get rid of this little bit of light? And I always tell them, no, don't get into moving your door. Moving your door is always a complex issue, and it's something that you want to do as a last resort, basically. A far, far better and easier fix is just to add these little foam wedges to that space on the door. Let me show you how it's done. As you can see, the pieces are wedge-shaped, and they just have an adhesive peel-off sticker on the back. All you really do is take off that adhesive sticker and you affix the wedge to the bottom corner of the door so that the skinny part points out and the fat part points towards the stop trim. Put it down as low as you can so it's basically sitting down on the threshold and there can't be any air or space underneath it, and just press it to the jamb. You want to make sure the jamb's clean, kind of wipe off any dirt if you can, but the adhesive tends to be pretty strong on these things. It sticks itself in place. After that, pull the door shut and look, do you still have a little light gap? You can even add a little one above that one if you want to, or you can stack two of them together and stick one to the other and put the one on the inside of the door jamb. It might not be pretty, but the point is nobody ever sees these things. The door is like 99% of the time closed, and it's so down out of eyesight that nobody's ever really gonna stumble across it, nor are they really gonna care from my experience. That's it, that's the whole solution. And these things cost like $3 to $7 for a pack of usually 2 to 6 of them. I'm gonna link several down below. And keep in mind, they don't all come in this bronze color. They also come in white, black, and this is a pretty common one. If they get beat up or they fall off, just put a new one on. Little foam weather strip wedges. That's all you need to get rid of that light gap in a very cost-efficient, easy manner. Anybody can put these things on. You don't have to cut them or anything. Just peel and stick. Is that helpful? Let me know. Do you use some product like this but a little bit different? Tell me about that one too. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check back in for more videos. I'm Ethan James with honestcarpenter.com. We'll see you next time.